never used this camera before, or a lot, so I just want to test this out. Actually, it makes me look white and kind of pretty. Okay, so I'm here in Pasay looking for laundry machines, not finding. There are some on Google Maps and they're just not real. You go there and they're not there. There's laundry people who will do your laundry by hand. Maybe I will do that if nothing else. I would love to just use a laundry machine. You know, there's some things here, it's like I know they're going to be cost effective, they're going to be inexpensive either way, or I expect them to be. It's taking some time to adjust to what I consider to be standard from an American lifestyle. Somebody's got to be able to help me because it's easy to have some celebrity here being the only white face in Pasay. I don't ever see anyone else white here, which makes me feel like I own it as like on the foreigner scale, not for the rest of it, because of course the rest of everything is owned by Filipino people. Today I really feel like I haven't gotten anything done. I have things to do on my list, quite a few things to do, things to buy and things to research. I suppose I'm researching some of those things now, but the wandering quality of the city is so good. It's fascinating. It's fascinating to me. I can't walk anywhere where it's not fascinating. Like if I ever get bored, if there's ever like a stretch where there's not much going on other than like a parking lot or something, you just walk back the other way and turn a different way. And it's still this Manila paradise for me, but it's only my 4th day, and a honeymoon period for a new city with me lasts at least a month. I found a laundry, but now it's like in this maze of a city. I can't even remember where it's at. It's right over here. Alright, so there are washers and dryers there, but I don't know how to use them. I don't know what the price is. I still feel kind of confused. I'm out here in San Isidro for some reason. Lost. Not really lost, but it's tough to find the way back.